Good morning, everybody, from beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So here we are in front of the ship. It's a very beautiful day here, sunny, warm, no snow, best of all. And today we're going to do a Mexican cooking class. So I guess come with us and let's go experience Puerto Vallarta here in Mexico. Buenos dias. We really enjoyed the city highlights tour and cooking class. This was a lot of fun. So the very first thing we did is we got on the bus and they took us to the old town where we saw the beautiful waterfront and the statues. I did have a problem with my camera, my GoPro, so we're filming here on my iPhone, but the pictures turned out fine and we can see what's going on. So this is a beautiful city. If you've ever been here, I highly recommend going down to the waterfront looking at these statues. There were also a lot of tourists. Down here they also had the three wise men, so here's number 1, wise man number 2, and wise man number 3, and the three wise men all led you to the nativity scene. It was really pretty. From there we went to the little plaza, which was not too far, and the plaza was right in front of the cathedral. So let's just take a quick look around this plaza. And then let's walk up the street to the cathedral and go inside and take a look at that. Oh, hey, let's explore this cathedral. Pretty neat here in Puerto Vallarta.
You made two beautiful confessionaries. The other one right opposite.
The cathedral is very beautiful, so if you ever have a chance, I highly recommend stopping by and checking it out. It doesn't take too long, but it's a pretty area. And of course, there's lots of shopping around. And that's the cathedral here in Viejo Puerto Vallarta. Okay, after spending the morning in Puerto Vallarta, we have come out to the country here in the mountains, and we are now at a resort, and this is really nice. So let me just show you some of the views, and we're gonna do a cooking class later, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, it should be fun. Anyway, check this out. It's so green and beautiful here. Beautiful Mexico. So this is like a resort hotel. It looks very fancy. The road getting here was a little dicey, but you know what? We made it and we're all good. Okay, so this afternoon we're gonna do a cooking class, so we'll see how this turns out. Let's try cooking. They provide us with all the ingredients we needed to create our own food. So here we are making chips and salsa. So good. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, this is the hot sauce we made, so let's try it. Kind of messy, but it's good.
And what is in it?
No, don't turn it sideways.
Oh, okay. Well, you can edit it. So you want the people to know what's in it?
No.
Okay.
And I made delicious guacamole. Okay, we're making progress. We've made salsa, guacamole, and now we're doing tostadas. And check out my tostada. And next is an enchilada. Well, that was a fun shore excursion, so we made our own Mexican meal. Salsa, guacamole, enchilada, a tostada, and an enchilada. Very good. Anyway, this is a beautiful hotel. I'm just going to show you some pictures of it before we leave for the ship. Wow, that was a very fun day in Puerto Vallarta. So we're on Central Time right now, so we had to get up. Yesterday we were on Mountain Time. Yesterday we were on Mountain Time. Today in Puerto Vallarta we're on Central Time, so we had to get up an hour earlier. So I dreamed that I had to get up. So that was a very fun day in Puerto Vallarta. So Puerto Vallarta is on Central Time, so we had to get up an hour early to get to our shore excursion at 9 o'clock. So that meant we had to be outside by 8 o'clock Mountain Time or 7 o'clock Pacific Time. So that was really early for me because I like to sleep in. So I made it. We did a shore excursion. We did a city tour. They showed us silver again, jewelry stores. I have to argue with these people. No, I don't want to buy silver. So that was fun. And then we did the Mexican cooking class, and that was a lot of fun. We got back to the ship at 4:30. Dinner was at 5, so I'm like, I'm too tired for that. So I just came back to the room, took a nap. At 6:30, I went downstairs, met my friends, and we went to the casino and played all night. So now it's 10:30, and we're going to bed. 10:30 Central Time. So tomorrow when we wake up, we'll be on Mountain Time, but I'm going to leave my clock on Central Time and get up early and have a productive day. Anyway, that's all I know. Have a good day, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow as a sea day. Night, night.